In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type ni in Excel. If you've ever needed to enter Spanish words like año or piñata in a spreadsheet, you'll want a quick, reliable way to insert the ni character without interrupting your workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest method using the Windows Alt code, and I'll share a few practical tips so it works the first time you try it. Start by selecting exactly where you want the character to appear. Click the cell that will hold your text. If you're adding ni inside existing content, place your text cursor at the correct spot by double-clicking the cell or pressing F2 to enter edit mode. You should see the cursor blinking in the cell or in the formula bar, which confirms you're ready to type. Now use the Windows Alt code for ni. Press and hold the Alt key, and while holding it, type 164 on your numeric keypad. When you release Alt, the lowercase 9 appears right where your cursor is. A few important notes here. This must be typed on the numeric keypad, not the number row across the top of the keyboard. Also, make sure numlock is turned on. If numlock is off, the code won't register correctly. If you're using a compact laptop, your keyboard may have an embedded numeric keypad you access with a function key. Use that embedded pad for the numbers when entering the code. Because this is a standard character, Excel treats ni like any other letter. You can use it in labels, headers, and text strings. If you're typing it inside a formula, remember to place it within double quotes as part of a text string. If you need to start a cell with text that might look like a formula, begin with an apostrophe to force text. The apostrophe won't display after you press enter. If the character doesn't show up, double-check these quick fixes. Confirm numlock is on, verify you're pressing the numeric keypad keys, and ensure your cursor is active in the cell. Also, make sure the font you're using supports Latin characters. Most standard Excel fonts do. Once you've typed ni, you can copy and paste it anywhere else in your workbook to save time. That's all there is to it. Click the cell, hold Alt, type 164 on the numeric keypad, and release. With this technique, you can type 9 quickly and consistently in Excel and keep your data accurate and professional.